Hey guys, welcome back to another great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum. Today I'm taking you all to Canada. We are making Canadian authentic poutine. And this episode starts right now. Welcome back. So today we are traveling to Canada. I'm making authentic Canadian poutine. A lot of you know what this is and a lot of you don't. So basically what this is just hand cut fries smothered with cheese curds and gravy. Yum, yum. It became popular in the 1950s in the snack bars and it's a staple in Quebec, Canada. That's where it's most popular. So just to give you a little history on that. And I hope everybody's doing well. So let me show you the ingredients. Let's check them out. I have one extra large russet potato that I cut into like half-inch pieces. I have been soaking it in water for at least an hour. Because always remember, the more starch that comes out of the potato, the crunchier the fries are going to be. Okay, so yes, we're making hand-cut fries. Very simple. We have salt and pepper to taste. Let me just point this over here so you guys can see. I have salt and pepper to taste. We have 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, water. I have 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 2 tablespoons of AP flour, all-purpose flour. I also have some beef stock. I like to make my gravy with beef stock. It's a lot richer, and that's the Canadian way. So the first thing we're going to do is, when I come back, we'll have my pot on the stove. We'll get the roux going to make our gravy. And you guys, this is sinful, you guys. You don't want to miss this. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. So here are our fries. Make sure you pat them dry when you take them out of the water because oil and water do not mix. Everybody knows that. Okay, so we're going to put our fries in. We're only going to fry them. We're going to twice fry them. So we're only going to fry them for about 3 minutes. Then we're going to take them out, and then we're going to fry them again. I also have my butter in here. Normally, when you're making a roux for a regular, say, chicken-based gravy, for example, what you would normally do, guys, is add some cooking spray or a dash of VO juice, vegetable oil, and that way your butter will not burn. Good secret. But I want my butter to brown because it's going to be a brown gravy. So let's check this out. See this so far? Alright, so now we have our fries in there. We're going to let them fry for about 3 minutes. And then I have a rack here, a cookie rack. So let's grab our flour and we are going to start whisking, making our roux. Here we go. Woo! Gosh. So you're probably wondering about the cornstarch. It's an added leveling agent. And what I'm going to do is add it once the gravy is almost there. Another 2 ingredients I forgot to mention. You're going to be like, wow. We're going to add a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. I'm just kidding. Worcestershire sauce. And a teaspoon of ketchup. That's right. The sugar, a teaspoon of ketchup is not much. But the sugar and the ketchup will help brown this as well. So you see how that's browning up right there? I'm going to show you once I brown it up here. So we're kind of like, the secret to this dish is you have to plate it really quick. So I'll show you when we put your cheese curds on top of the fries, how this extra hot gravy, see how brown that is? Alright, so slowly pour in your beef stock. Be very careful, guys. It'll give you a facial, literally. Keep stirring so we have no lumps. Like I always say, we have to keep stirring. Alright, so we're going to keep stirring this. So a teaspoon of that. As crazy as that sounds, but it works and it's so delicious. And Worcestershire sauce will give it that A1 steak sauce smell. Oh, love that. It'll make you want to put this gravy on a steak too. Ooh, gosh. I love this, you guys. I can smell it already. And it needs to come to a boil in order for this to thicken, okay? So now what we're going to do is we are going to add some salt and pepper to taste. Not a lot, guys. Not a lot. Got my cute little new salt gadget and pepper. I love it so much. Do it again. It even has a light. I can't believe it. All right, guys. So we got to keep whisking, keep whisking, keep whisking. Never stop whisking. We don't want lumps. Okay, guys, I'm back for a minute. I took my fries out. The secret to twice frying these is let them rest. Let these cool down for a minute, and then we're going to fry them on high heat. Now I'm going to grab our cornstarch right here with some water. Play it by ear. We are creating what chefs call a slurry, which means it's kind of like a milky type of substance. So we need to stir it really well. We don't want any lumps, because the reason being is if I were to pour this cornstarch in here normal with no liquid, it would become very lumpy. It would become very lumpy. So look, see? Let me show you. Look at this, guys. This is a slurry. See it? All right, so I'm going to just pour that right in there. So that's going to be a little bit of added help for our thickening. Wow, look at that. This is beautiful. This is time to turn the stove off. Woo! This is beautiful. I did this on my live show Monday, which most of you that follow me watched. If not, you guys, it's Sunny Von Cleveland. They're on the Delight Cafe. I'll have it in my description, so you guys can go and watch it every Monday. Every Monday, I have a cooking segment at 10:30, and oh my God, I just love these guys so much. They're so motivational, and they've really opened my eyes, about life. And I've always been a self-motivator, but they've really, the things they've done and it's just amazing to me. So, all right, so look at this. That's how you know your gravy's ready, guys. Check that out. You see that? When you coat the back of your spoon. That's how we know. So, guys, I'm excited. I'm going to let these fries cool down. You guys, the gravy's ready. We're going to pour those cheese curds on the fries. Oh, my God. And this is really starting to make me nervous, because this is like sinful, so delicious. And you have to try this at home. It's so simple, you guys. So, let's thumbs up for Canada. Thank you, Canada. This is off the chisel, off the nizzle, whatever you want to call it. It's delicious. I'll be right back, guys. Hey, guys, I'm back. Our fries have cooled. I'm waiting for the oil to heat up. Actually, it's VO juice. We need a deep skillet so we can make these fries. And once that's done, I'm going to twice fry them. I'm going to put them in there for the second time. I'm back for a minute, guys. I want to show you. I'm taking my fries out. You can make them as crispy as you'd like. This is how I like to make them. How awesome is that? Look at this. Wait a minute. Come back here. Look at how beautiful those fries are. That's how I like them. So, oops. Wrong utensil. Oh my goodness. They smell like fries you get at the fair. Oh my God, they smell so good. There's nothing like home cut fries, you guys. And when they're twice fried, even better when they're twice fried. Holy mackerel. God, they smell good. Move that out of the way. Still nice and warm, but we want it to be super duper hot, you guys. So watch this. I'm going to start plating, okay? Oh my God, this makes me so nervous. Let me grab my handy dandy tongs. Well, before I do that, guys, we're going to use my cute little gadget with a light, which is pretty cool, and put some salt on our fries. Okay, that's good. Because I'm all about building flavors, so. And that's how it should be. All right, so we're going to grab our tongs and put our fries in the bowl. Oh my Lord, it smells good. Not like sinful or what? Look at those hand-cut fries. Goodness gracious. Oh, Oh, now we're going to put our cheese curds on top. Same way the Canadians do it. Cheese curds are delicious. For those of you that have never had them, you guys need to go get yourself some cheese curds at the store. You can find them everywhere and anywhere. All right, guys, our gravy's hot. Now I'm going to pour the gravy, extra hot gravy. I'm going to pour it right over the top. Move it over here and pour it right over the top. Look at that. We're going to wait a second. These are a little bit, oh my goodness. Holy moly, look at this. Look at that. I made this live on my show on Monday. Like I had said before, look at those cheese curds and that gravy. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, Dios mío. So now I'm going to taste it. Now comes the fun part. And it's hot, you guys. Oh my goodness. Look at this. How beautiful this is. I made it exactly like this on Monday on my live show. We had a guest. His name is Dave Farrell. Wonderful man with his family, Andrea and his little boy. So cute. From Farrell International, directly from Canada. He was on the show when I made this, and he stamped it with a Canadian approval. So yes, this is Canadian poutine. Although they have different ways of making it over there, but oh my God. Look at this cheese curd. This is hot, you guys. Oh my God, making my mouth water. I can't even grab a piece of cheese. All right, here goes, guys. Oh my God, here I go. Look at the smoke on that. Look at that bite. It's hot. Oh my God. Guys, that is so delicious. You can taste that Worcestershire sauce and that gravy and that tiny hint of the sweetness of the ketchup. I mean, very tiny. And that richness of that beef. And the beautiful cheesiness of those curds. Now, keep in mind, if you can't find cheese curds at your local grocery store, mozzarella is a great substitution. Authentically, it's cheese curds, but if you can't find them at your store, wherever you're located, mozzarella will do just fine. But this chickie has to try it again just to make sure. Just to make sure. Oh my Lord. Oh my God. This is like a very sinful plate, you guys. Look at this. Look at how beautiful that is. Hot. Mm. 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 Oh, I can't. You guys, that was amazing. That was the most amazing bite. Always remember, you guys, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and don't forget to comment. If you've already subscribed, thank you so much. If not, what are you waiting for? Smash the subscribe button. But don't forget the bell, and don't forget to hit all so you don't miss any episodes. And as always, you guys, my two main ingredients in all my recipes are passion and love. With those two ingredients, I don't care who you are. I don't care what your kitchen looks like. I don't care where you come from. Your recipe will not fail. I repeat, your recipe will not fail, guys. And as always, my friends, au revoir. I love you. Los quiero. And until the next great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum, I will be back and I will see you guys then. Take great care as always, you guys. Bye.